Hello students, this is your physics class of unit 1 force and motion. So student, in our last lecture we have done some numerical related to Newton's second law. So first of all we take some review or recap related to Newton's first law and Newton's second law and representation of formula of second law. So what is the Newton's first law? We know that an object remain in a same state whenever we not applied any or compelled to change the state of by an applied force. So you have to write the definition with your own word. So that is, whenever we not applied any external force on an object, the position remains same. So that is Newton's first law. So what is the Newton's second law? Second law of motion states that the rate change of momentum of an object is proportional to applied unbalanced force in direction of force. And third one is Newton second law formula. So that is, according to Newton second law, the second law represent force is equal to mass into acceleration. So open your NCERT exercise question number 7 on page number 128. So question is, when 8000 kg engine pull a train of 5 wagons each of 2000 kg along a horizontal track, if the engine exert a force on of 40,000 Newton and track offer a friction force 5,000 Newton, then calculate the net accelerating force and acceleration of the train. So first of all we write the given which is given in question. So force exerted F1 means force exerted by engine is 40,000 Newton and force exerted by friction, that is 5,000 Newton. Mass of engine is 8,000. Mass of wagon M is 2,000. Number of wagon in train 5. So that's why the net force applied F1 minus F means force 40,000 minus 5,000. So that is 35 Newton in a straight line in a forward direction. So net mass of a train, that is 8,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 18,000. So mass is 18,000 kg and force is 35,000 Newton. Then according to Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So there are three parameters: force, mass and acceleration. So force is also given and mass is also. After the putting value in this formula, we calculate the final acceleration. So acceleration in meter per second square, so that is 1.944 meter per second. So the net force is 35 and acceleration is 1.944 meter per second square. So student, question number 9 on page number 128. What is the momentum of an object? The mass is m and velocity is v. So that is mass into velocity. That is the formula of momentum. Students, NCERT exercise question number 14, 16 and 18. First question is, a bullet of mass 100 gram traveling horizontally with a velocity 150 meter per second. So stationary wooden block and come to rest in 0.03 second. after striking wooden block come into rest in 0.03 second. Calculate the distance of penetration of bullet into the block. Also calculate the magnitude of a force exerted by a wooden block. So first of all we write a given. Initial velocity is 115 meter per second and final velocity is 0, and mass is 10 gram and time 0.3 second. So first of all, distance formula is according to derivation equation of motion. V is equal to u plus at. V is final, u is initial, and time is 0.3. We calculate the acceleration. So v square is equal to u square plus 2a as the third equation of motion. We put the value. First of all, we calculate the mass into kilogram. After divided by 1000, it become a 0.01 kilo. So we substituting the value in first equation. The acceleration is minus 5000 meter per second square. So according to equation motion of third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. We substituting the value and calculate the distance. Distance is 2.25 meter, and force is exerted by Newton is force is mass into acceleration. Mass is 0.01, acceleration is minus 5000. So after calculating the values, the force exerted on bullet by a wooden block is minus 50 Newton. So student, that is the solution of question number 14. According to question number 16, an object of mass 100 kg is accelerate uniformly with velocity 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second in 6 seconds. Calculate the initial and final momentum of the object. Calculate the magnitude of a force exerted on object. So first of all we write a given. Initial velocity means starting point is 5 meter per second, final is 8 per meter second, and time is 6 second. Mass is 100 kg. So how do we calculate initial and final momentum? So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So acceleration is provided by, so first of all we put a value, P is equal to mv, that is the formula for a momentum, mass into velocity. So we calculate the velocity. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration means the rate change of velocity upon time, because acceleration is equal to v minus u upon time. So student, after putting the values, the initial momentum and final momentum, initial momentum is 500 kilogram meter per second and final is 800 kilogram meter per second. After the putting the values of these two momentum, the force is 50 Newton. After putting the value is 50 Newton. So practice question number 12. In which following case will more force is required to bring? First is to bring object 2 kg into motion with acceleration 5 meter per second. Second is to bring an object of mass 4 kg into motion, acceleration is 2 meter per second square. So students, first of all we write a mass means given, which is given in a question. So that is mass of first object is 2 kg, second object is 4 kg. Acceleration of first object is 5 meter per second square and 2 meter per second square for second one. So which required greater force. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So force for first body is 10 Newton and second is mass into acceleration is 8 Newton. So object 1 required more force to brought in a motion with an acceleration 5 meter per second square. So students, practice question number 12 is 12.2 that a truck of a mass is moved by a force. If the truck then loaded, which object is equal to mass of truck and the driving force is halved, how does the acceleration change? So we calculating the whole values with the help of the formulas. Means original mass is m1 and force F1. After loading the truck, the mass is m2 is the double means 2m1 and force is half means F1 divided by 2. According to question, the mass is double and force is halved. So what is the change in acceleration? So we calculate the acceleration for both cases, in case of F1 and in case of F2. After the putting the value and when we putting the value F2 and M2, so A2 is equal to F1 F2 divided by 2m1. So the acceleration become 1/4 of the original acceleration. In this concept, we calculate acceleration is 1/4 of the original acceleration. So students, these are the practice question related to equation of motion, force, acceleration. Student, if you have any problem in part of numerical, you have to text me anytime or send a question for your queries. Thank you.